Want to become a brainiac? Here are the key secrets you need to know. All right, folks, our brains are incredible machines, but like any machine, they need the right fuel and maintenance to run at peak performance. Here are some simple yet powerful tips to give your brain a boost. First up, get moving. Regular physical exercise isn't just good for your body, it's fantastic for your brain too. Exercise increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients that help your brain thrive. So whether it's a brisk walk, a dance session, or a workout, make it part of your routine. Next, let's talk food. Your brain loves healthy fats, antioxidants, and omega-3s. Foods like salmon, blueberries, nuts, and avocados are brain-boosting superstars. Add them to your diet for a mental edge. And don't forget hydration. Your brain is around 75% water. Dehydration can seriously impact your focus and cognitive function. Drink up and keep your brain sharp. Now, onto mental workouts. Challenge your brain with puzzles, reading, or learning a new skill. Engaging in these activities strengthens neural connections and keeps your mind agile. Lastly, catch those Z's. Quality sleep is crucial for memory consolidation and overall brain health. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night. So, there you have it. Exercise, nutrition, hydration, mental challenges, and sleep. Incorporate these key secrets into your lifestyle and boost your brain power to new heights. Stay sharp, stay smart, and keep pushing those boundaries. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more brain-boosting tips.